What's up, family? In the place, in your face. It's your boy. That boy can cook. Back at you again. And today, as you've seen by the community post board, we doing a party pleaser, a game day winner. Pepperoni pizza, monkey bread. Sounds good, is good. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, even share it. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Now let's get to this pepperoni pizza monkey bread. All right, as you can see, this is everything we're gonna need to make that pepperoni pizza monkey bread. Let's get over the rundown real quick. We got the grand layered flaky biscuits, butter tasting. I got a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Got 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. I got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I got 1 stick of butter, pack of pepperonis, and 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. Let's get to it. All right, we're starting out with our biscuits, as you can see, and we got them out the can. All we're gonna do now, we're just gonna quarter them, cut them up in 4 pieces, like such. There we go, just like that. Cut them in quarters. As you can see, we have our biscuits all cut into quarters as such. All right, so now we're just gonna get them in a mixing bowl. Make sure you have a big enough mixing bowl so you don't have to crowd everything in there. So let's just get these in here. All right, we have them all in a mixing bowl here. So next, what we're gonna do, let's just get our butter, our stick of butter, and we're just gonna pop this in the microwave and we're gonna melt it and let it cool a little bit before you pour it back over your dough. So let's just go ahead and add a little seasonings in here. That way when the butter melt, it'll be melted with it. Let's just melt our butter real quick. All right, everyone, as you can see, we have our butter melted. So let's just set this to the side and let it cool. Like I say, we're just gonna quarter them into 4s. So let's just get these out as such. All right, everyone, as you can see, I got our pepperonis quartered, and I like to do me a little diced pepperonis in there as well. So I got those in there. Let's get these into our bowl with our dough. Alrighty, we have our pepperonis in our bowl with our dough. Let's add some of this mozz in here. Okay. Before we add our butter, let's just kind of give it a little mix. Let everything get around in there. Like such. All right, we got everything combined. Everything is touching everything. So let's get our butter in here. Seasoning in there. Alright. And let's just get it all combined. Mixed in, make sure the butter's touching everything, and everything is everything. So do it as such. There we go. Alright, y'all, real quick, I forgot to mention introduction. I'm using 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. So let's get that in there. There we go. And give it a mix. Smells delicious, y'all. It's just, there we go. Get everything is where it's supposed to be. Mixed in. All right, family. So let's just get these in here. Kind of want to make sure they broken up. So let's just get them in there. Let's just make sure we get it all in there. All right, as you can see, we got everything in there. So what you want to do is just give it a light smash to where everything will be even when you put it out of your blunt pan. And it won't be lopsided. So let's just get everything on an even level. This that pepperoni piece of monkey bread. Now all we're gonna do is pop it in the oven at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. All right, everybody, as you can see, we are done. We didn't pull it out of the oven. Look how beautiful that looks. Smells even better. So we're gonna let it rest for about 5 minutes. We're gonna come back over. We're gonna flip it, and we're gonna be ready. All right, everybody, let's get this boy flipped over. Look at that. Whew. Yes, such. Look at that. Yeah. Look, all done. All done. Check it out. Look at that. Pepperoni on a piece of monkey bread. As you can see, I couldn't wait. Already been in it, so let's just continue it. Crispy outside, moist and tender on the inside. Flavorful, just an all around clean winner. Forget, family, like, comment, subscribe. That boy can cook. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Out the place, out your face, I'm gone.